nice little Ford. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the first of the Hatboro cruises. More cars are coming in all the time at the Hatboro cruises Friday night cruise. Nice. Sounding good, Rumblebee, baby! Look at this thing. This is really serious. Top rocker. Oh. You talk about Max Street, there she is. I get the lighting right. That's the one problem with this, is that the lighting gets funky. Hey Pop, what do you have under the hood?
440.
Very nice.
Work. Yep.
Very nice. This thing looks like a lot of fun. Enjoy, don't get caught.
No problem.
Just driving around. Nice. Nice little 69. Very nice.
How you doing today?
Having fun. Having fun.
Having fun?
Oh my gosh, this is great. Absolutely great.
Thank you.
What do you have under the hood?
396.
Oh.
Yeah, 396
Four
four-speed.
speed. Oh, very nice.
This is my wife's car. Her name is Adrian. She's the one that sets this all up. There she is, right there.
My car. I love it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the Hatboro Cruisers Friday night cruise. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Click it up there. And check out some of the other videos. You'll have some fun. If you're a gearhead, you're in the right place. I'll see you at the shows. I could not resist this. Could not resist.